Really, it would be a formidable experience to see this road covered by an overlay of bitumen. Ever since I have come here, since 2019, I have been observing this road as always broken. So watching this road getting repaired is very special. But but there is a diversion here. This is a diversion, but over here a canal is dug transversely on the road to repair the hollow pipe of water, but the workers left it unfinished. Why left unfinished? Because in our primary school era we used to do solve some maths, like some laborer were working diligently for a construction or digging a canal, ponds, like etc. But all of a sudden, out of blue, few workers left the work. No reason. Then now evaluate the necessary time to complete the leftover work by remained workers. But in this case of road, of all workers left the work unfinished. No progress for further.